Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your OnePlus Nord 2T device. So, firstly, you need to remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you need to take off the cover and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and pry the dirt out. So, cool, that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.